forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, it's a cooler yet clearer start to the day. We saw plenty of cloud cover yesterday. The gloomy Sunday temperatures did warm up to around 30 degrees yesterday. We won't even reach that mark. However, temperatures this morning, but on the cooler side. We're still seeing a few light lingering clouds throughout the viewing area. It's 10 degrees right now. Winds have calmed down a little bit at this point. Winds are from the northwest, right around 3 miles per hour. The wind chill currently 4 degrees as you step out the door this morning. However, winds are getting up to around 5, even 10 miles per hour throughout the viewing area, so we could easily see wind chills below 0 this morning. It's currently 4 degrees. Rensselaer 5 and Fowler 10. In Crawfordsville this morning, it's 12 degrees in Rossville as you step out the door this morning as well. Our satellite radar last 12 hours actually showing some mainly clear skies. That potent area of high pressure really dominating much of the Great Plains of the Midwest at this point continues to move east along with the low pressure system that brought us all of that snowfall, all of the ice and the rain over the last really 48 to 72 hours. That's all pushing east as well. We're going to be clearing out throughout the day. Actually, a pretty nice afternoon remains ahead of us. We'll see those winds 5 to 10 miles per hour throughout the morning, calming down to around 0 to 5 miles per hour throughout the afternoon. They'll be primarily from the northwest, but still, nonetheless, temperatures will still be about 12 degrees below average for this time of the year. Our high-res futurecast over the next 12 to 24 hours actually looking pretty nice. A few light clouds here and there throughout the viewing area. Maybe some light upper-level moisture overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. You see the increase in cloud cover early tomorrow morning, but we do stay dry throughout the next 24 hours. 22 degrees in West Lafayette later today. We'll hit 20 in Fowler. Right around 22 in Logansport later on before falling off to around the single digits for some parts of the viewing area overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. We'll hit that high of 22 in Lafayette right around 3 p.m., 19 by 5 p.m., 14 by 10 p.m., drop off to around 10 degrees in Lafayette overnight tonight into tomorrow. See the increase in cloud cover ahead of our next low pressure system and our next weather maker. We're looking at another round of significant snowfall heading our way for beginning tomorrow afternoon through Wednesday afternoon and evening. So our high-res futurecast for your Tuesday, mainly cloudy skies throughout the day, but you see increasing cloud cover, mainly overcast conditions once we get toward your lunch hour. Your evening commute tomorrow, well, it looks like it might be a snowy one depending on where you are. The southern half of the viewing area first beginning to see the snowfall. That low pressure system will really travel up the Ohio River Valley, producing scattered rainfall, even freezing rain for the central and southern portion of the state. But for here at home, we're looking at a primarily snow event for Tuesday evening into Wednesday. So the snow continues through about Wednesday afternoon and evening. As a result, the National Weather Service has issued a winter storm watch for the entire viewing area. That's because we're expecting anywhere between 4 to 8 inches of accumulation. See 4 to 6 inches for the southern and eastern portion of the region. The further north you go, a little bit less. But you can see this cone right here in the middle. That's where we're expecting the most significant snowfall. 6 to 8 inches. That includes Lafayette, Fowler, even Rensselaer right on the edge of that 6 to 8 inches. So we could easily see 8 inches of accumulation here in Lafayette by Wednesday evening. Temperatures will actually be a little bit more mild as well as that low pressure system lifts northward. It's going to bring 1, slightly warmer temperatures and 2, plenty of moisture along with it. But once that low finally kicks off to the east of us, we are going to be plummeting as far as temperatures go. Look at this. We'll drop off from 24 Wednesday afternoon down to -6 Wednesday night into Thursday morning. 6 degrees your high temperature on Thursday, -2 Thursday night and the Friday. Finally warming back up to around 14 on Friday. Saturday brings a chance of passing flurries. 20 degrees your high temperature that afternoon. We'll have 23 degrees on Sunday to wrap up your extended forecast.
Cam, it looks pretty clear we've got snow coming ahead of us, but going back to last Saturday, we got a little bit of everything on Saturday.
We really did. You know, we saw it right here at home. Lafayette, first we saw the snow, then we saw the freezing rain, that ice, really slick conditions. Temperatures warmed up to around 38 to 40 degrees throughout the viewing area. That melted a lot of that snow, a lot of that ice, and we saw rain plenty, and then once again, a little bit of snow on top of all of it. So we really saw a day filled with everything Saturday. Yesterday, a little bit gloomy. Today, at least we do get some sunshine before our next round of snow.
All right. Thanks, Cameron. Well, coming